Follow the bomber through the construction site. Okay. What the hell's going on? Where the hell is he? Oh, there he is. What the hell? I'm stuck. What the hell? What the fuck? Dude, I'm stuck. Where am I going?
Your target's climbing on the building. Boss, you've got to order him to take the jump.
Yep, just like the movie. Just like Casino Royale, I remember this scene. Get up, you idiot. Another way to the ground. Where the fuck am I? What the fuck, dude? Oh, I could've opened that door. How was I supposed to know that?
Man, 007 just entered the Nambutu embassy in Madagascar.
What's his living daylights? Is that just a standard achievement? Yep.
007?
Bond.
The one I just promoted. On foreign soil?
Bond's target may be seeking sanctuary.
And Bond is violating the one
We've
inviolate.
lost the local camera. The satellite image suggests...
A bomb. The heat signature's too sudden for anything else. Find our field agent.
That would be Carter, man.
Put him on. I want to...
This isn't important. Move on. I want to see what Bond saw. Every face, every file. That's all that matters. No. Go further. Find Bond.
Hello, Em.
You've got a bloody cheek. I give you 00 status and you celebrate by shooting up an embassy.
I thought one less bomb maker in the world would be a good thing.
We wanted to question him, not kill him. And thanks to you, we've no idea who hired him or why.
It was hired by Alex Demetrius.
Demetrius. What's he up to?
That's what I'm trying to find out. I followed him here to the science center.